Are we close to a major leap in robotics and artificial general intelligence, AGI? Let's explore predictions about these cutting-edge technologies. China is rapidly advancing in the field of humanoid robots. By 2025, it aims to lead globally. A notable company in this endeavor is X Dynamics from Shenzhen, which began in 2022. They are known for creating robots that are not only advanced, but adaptable. These robots can perform everyday tasks and also work in industrial settings where it's too dangerous for humans. Interestingly, they are now matching and sometimes surpassing similar US robots like those from Boston Dynamics. X Dynamics robots can do complex human-like movements, much like the well-known Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics. This ability to quickly copy and enhance techniques from others shows just how fast technology is advancing in China. It's not merely about imitation. It's about improving and tweaking these technologies to meet both local and international standards. As we approach 2025, we expect these humanoid robots to become more common in different fields, enhancing both efficiency and safety. Watching these robots progress is like seeing the future take shape before our eyes. Artificial intelligence and humanoid robots are evolving rapidly. These developments aren't just about making machines smarter. They aim to create robots that can move and behave more like humans. A significant part of this growth is in China, where companies are striving to expand what robots can achieve. One big reason for the fast progress in robotics is China's aim to lead globally by 2025. This ambition has fueled extensive investment and innovation in AI and robotics from both large companies and startups. Robots are now being made more flexible and can do tasks that used to be too hard for machines. This includes moving over rough ground, making smart choices in tricky situations, and interacting with people more naturally. The speed of these technological advancements is remarkable. It's pushed forward by better AI algorithms and improved robot designs that make them more versatile for different jobs. These robots are now learning to handle a variety of tasks, from working in factories to helping out in homes and hospitals. As AI and robotics keep improving, we can expect humanoid robots to become a regular part of our daily lives. They will likely take on roles that boost efficiency and safety, and might even manage tasks that we can't yet imagine. The future of humanoid robots looks promising, with technology set to greatly expand human abilities in new and exciting ways. Artificial superintelligence, ASI, is the next major step in AI development. ASI is a type of intelligence that not only equals, but exceeds human skills in every aspect, including creativity, emotional understanding, decision-making, and problem-solving. What once seemed like a concept from science fiction is now considered a real possibility by experts. Lately, there's been a noticeable change in how experts and companies view ASI. It's no longer seen just as a theoretical idea, but as a realistic objective that might be achieved soon. This shift is driven by quick progress in AI technology and a growing comprehension of how these systems can develop. Companies like Google are leading discussions on ASI, suggesting it could become a reality faster than anticipated. They point out that ASI isn't only about enhancing machine intelligence, it's about creating systems that can learn and adapt incredibly fast, potentially leading to breakthroughs we can barely envision today. The conversation about ASI is becoming more prominent within the AI community. More tech leaders and developers are talking about how to develop ASI responsibly, given its vast potential and ethical challenges. As we edge closer to creating these super-intelligent systems, the emphasis is on making sure they are safe and beneficial for all. Researcher has made some exciting forecasts about artificial general intelligence, AGI, which is a type of AI that can understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human can. AGI isn't just about enhancing machine performance in specific tasks, it's about building systems that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. The researcher suggests that AGI is nearing a stage where it could profoundly affect every part of our lives. This reaches into how we work, learn, manage health, and interact with technology. The aim for AGI is to evolve it into a tool that not only matches but extends human capabilities and solves complex problems more efficiently than current technologies. The researcher envisions that once AGI is fully developed, it could transform various industries by providing smarter, more adaptable technological solutions. For example, AGI could lead to the creation of highly intelligent personal assistants, capable of managing our schedules, assisting with daily tasks, and even offering emotional support. Furthermore, AGI could drive progress in medicine, education, and environmental protection by delivering innovative solutions customized to individual needs and challenges. The potential of AGI to reshape society is vast, envisioning a future where AI and humans work together to foster greater innovations. In the medical field, AI diagnostics are revolutionizing how health is assessed by offering quicker, more precise evaluations. This technology employs artificial intelligence to interpret medical data, such as X-ray images or patterns in patient symptoms, enabling more effective disease diagnosis than previously possible. Recent breakthroughs in AI diagnostics show that AI can sometimes outperform human doctors in identifying certain conditions. For instance, AI systems can detect patterns in complex data that might go unnoticed by human eyes. This includes diagnosing conditions like skin cancer, infections, and even genetic disorders with remarkable accuracy. The use of AI in medical diagnostics is expanding rapidly because it reduces errors and speeds up the process of diagnosis. This means patients can start treatment sooner, which is especially important for urgent conditions. Moreover, AI systems can operate continuously without breaks, making them invaluable in busy healthcare environments. These diagnostic tools are also becoming more widely available in hospitals worldwide. Once limited to advanced labs, AI technology is now being integrated into everyday healthcare settings, enabling doctors to make faster and more accurate decisions to improve patient outcomes. As AI continues to advance, the future of medical diagnostics is full of potential. With ongoing innovations, AI could deliver even more accurate and efficient diagnostic tools, becoming an essential part of healthcare systems worldwide. However, the rapid growth of AI also brings important ethical and legal questions that require careful thought. These challenges focus on the responsible use of AI and its potential impact on privacy, safety, and fairness. Privacy is a key concern. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively, raising questions about how personal information is collected, used, and safeguarded. To maintain public trust, it's crucial to ensure that AI complies with privacy rights and data protection laws. Safety is another critical issue, as AI takes on significant roles, like driving vehicles or diagnosing illnesses. Ensuring its safe operation is essential. This includes preventing physical harm and addressing the potential social or economic impacts of AI decisions. By tackling these ethical challenges, we can ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly for the benefit of all. Fairness is another important issue in AI development. AI systems can sometimes inherit or even amplify biases present in the data they are trained on. This can result in unfair treatment of individuals, especially in critical areas like hiring or loan approvals. Addressing these biases and ensuring AI treats everyone equally is a significant challenge for developers and regulators. The legal framework for AI is also still catching up. Laws and regulations must evolve alongside AI advancements to address emerging challenges and ensure that AI is used responsibly and benefits society. Achieving this requires ongoing collaboration between technologists, lawmakers, and the public to create policies that promote ethical and fair AI use. AI innovations are helping businesses work smarter and faster, leading to increased efficiency and reduced costs. From automating repetitive tasks to optimizing complex operations, AI is becoming a valuable tool for companies across various sectors. One major economic benefit of AI is its ability to create new opportunities. Industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing are experiencing rapid growth by using AI to develop advanced products and services. For example, AI-powered diagnostics in medicine are speeding up treatment processes, while financial institutions are using AI to detect fraud and improve customer service. AI is also driving job creation, particularly in technology-related fields. New roles are emerging in AI research, development, and maintenance, while traditional jobs are being reshaped to include AI tools. However, there are concerns about job displacement due to automation, which is why reskilling and upskilling workers is becoming increasingly important. In addition to its impact on businesses, AI is contributing to economic growth by enabling startups and entrepreneurs to create innovative solutions at lower costs. With AI tools becoming more accessible, even small companies can compete in global markets. As we've discussed, the advancements in artificial intelligence and humanoid robots are paving the way for a future full of remarkable possibilities. From improving daily life to revolutionizing industries, the path to artificial superintelligence is both exciting and complex. If you found this discussion engaging, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates on how AI is shaping our world. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the innovations that promise to redefine our future.